India's total active COVID-19 cases have reached 4,026, with 65 cases being reported in the past 24 hours. Total COVID-19 related death toll has reached 38, with 5 deaths being reported in the past 24 hours. Kerala continues to report the highest number of active cases at 1,446. Maharashtra has recorded the highest number of deaths with 10 fatalities. Health authorities and ICMR are monitoring the situation closely and urging citizens to follow safety guidelines. Arzu Seth is joining us live for more on this story. Arzu, have the COVID-19 numbers further increased in the last 24 hours?
Well, yes, the active COVID-19 cases in India amid the recent surge in infection stand at 4,026, which means that there has been an increase in the total active cases. Meanwhile, a total of 5 new COVID-19 deaths have been reported in the country, where Kerala now currently, accounts for the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country, is standing at 1,416. So, meanwhile, Karnataka, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Delhi reported, uptick in the active COVID-19 cases. If we talk about Delhi also, Delhi somewhere has reduced the, active cases of COVID-19, as the number have now reached to 393, means 90 active patients have been reduced. And also, there has been some relief in Kerala also, where the 19 active cases have been reduced. So, in last 24 hours, there has been some reduction in the total active cases, but yes, there has been a concern among the people, as continuously there seems to be uptick in the COVID-19 cases. And also, if we see Maharashtra, there has been a 10 deaths that have been reported in Maharashtra. So in the entire country, all the states, which are now are COVID active cases in each state. So the state authorities, the state governments have in fact are on the high alert to tackle with any kind of emergency like situation if there might be a surge in more active COVID-19 cases. So the preparations have been made by the government also. The hospitals are also preparing themselves, and also this spike is being seen due to the new sub-variant of Omicron, the 4th new sub-variant. That's why the spike can be clearly seen. And also the experts what has to say is the symptoms are very mild. In fact, the impact is very mild, because if we see the active there has been a lot of patients who are getting discharged in Delhi also. The discharge rate is around 32.92%. So a lot of people who are getting infected are also getting discharged. So this is a positive sign.